Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Jenni. Now Jenni is your intelligent research assistant. That's right. AI powered workspace to help you read, write and organize research with ease is Jenni AI. So you can start writing and it is free. Very free. So let's go. It's really by investing in business across the world. It has powerful features that help you to write, cite and edit, features built to enhance your research and writing capabilities. In-text citations, AI autocomplete. Using the drag and drop, you can drop your PDF files and have it onto AI autocomplete will help you write alongside to beat writer's block whenever you need a helping hand. You can chat to your research, that is, quickly understand and summarize your research papers with the AI chat assistant. You can generate from your files, bring your research papers to life with source-based generation. It has dark mode, multilingual support over 30 languages including US or British English, Spanish, German, French or Chinese. Reference management, 1,700 plus citation styles. Paraphrase and rewrite, bulk import sources via BIB, LaTeX and Word export, paper outline builder. So what are you waiting for? It's an AI assistant that doesn't allow you to write alone. You get suggestions whenever you're stuck or expand your notes into full paragraphs for you. It's as simple as that. So customers love over 5 million empowered writers are in love with Jenni AI and they're working with it, so you're in control. The types of content Jenni can help you with are essays, literature reviews, research papers, personal statements, blog posts, speeches, and so much more. So you can have the support section where you can go through tutorials and guides. So it's also good for teams, for team and institutional plans where you collaborate with your research team and speed up your workflow. You get your questions answered. So what are you waiting for? Try Jenni for free today.